beautiful people. Welcome back to a beautiful night in the garden. I'm really excited. Last week we did an awesome pour called Pearl Evolution that I was so happy with because I felt like I finally got the right balance of colors and the amount of colors and the technique that I liked, and I felt like it was an awesome painting, and I was really happy with it. So tonight we're going to do another one of those transparent based modern minimals, but we're going to be using a different color palette since I'm sure everybody's a little tired of the turquoise and the pearl green. This is a 24 by 30 inch gallery wrapped canvas from Artists Loft. I have taped and pinned the back, and I have painted the sides and edges and the surface with one of my colors. This is this is the Feral Cloud mix and some 24 karat gold mixed up. So white and gold essentially. Really pretty, soft gold color, a little bit shimmery, very cool. So I'm excited about that. So the colors we're using, this one's one of my favorites. This is Golden's Benzodiazepine Burnt Orange, and it is so pretty and so rich and just such a gorgeous color. And I really am looking forward to seeing this one drag across as it's anchored and spread out and stretched, because I think it's just going to be beautiful. This one is Golden's Nickel Azo Gold. They've discontinued this one, but they do make one now that's just Azo Gold. So it's a beautiful color though. It doesn't look like much in the cup. It looks like a weird pumpkin color, but it's beautiful on the canvas. This one is Liquitex Basics Cadmium Yellow Deep. Gorgeous stuff. I could have put everything into squeeze bottles tonight, but I didn't really feel like it, so I didn't. This is that base coat color, the cloud mix with some 24 karat gold. Really pretty, very shimmery, kind of metallic. And I also have the 24 karat gold, and I have some of the Feral Cloud mix. So then I have over here this lovely tub of my pouring medium, which is also the transparent base coat. This is Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss and American Floetrol and some water. So not thick, not super thin, little mound on a mound and then sinking into itself. So what we're going to do is we're going to put down some transparent base coat. We're going to put down some of our colors. We're going to do some finger painting magic in there, and then we're going to stretch it out and tilt it. So it should be fun. Let's get going. I'm going to start with a nice puddle of this. This is a 24 by 30, so we usually need about 26 ounces of paint for this size. The transparent base coat is rather bubbly because I just mixed it up not too long ago. Okay, so now we have this beautiful base. In the one that was called Marine Layer, it was a 24 by 30, and we did like 6 lines across. And then in the last one, Pearl Evolution, I only did 3 because I really wanted more negative space. So we're going to compromise. We're not going to do 6 sets of lines. We're going to do probably 4. Okay, so we're going to start with, and I don't have any of the Amsterdam pearls because it's a light colored base, it wouldn't show up. So instead we're using our 24 karat gold. We're going to start with a nice line of the burnt orange. Do one more there. Definitely neater with the squeeze bottle. Okay.
Right off the stick.
Then I wouldn't get enough. I'm going to Fiona finger dip these out of existence, hopefully. Maybe not. Alright, we're going to put a little bit of the Nickel Azo Gold. Just pour it from up higher.
For those of you who can count, that's only 3 lines.
Yeah, I changed my mind.
Oh, okay.
Trying to be minimal here.
It's your prerogative.
Minimal, remember? Minimal. Okay. I'm going to put a line of the 24 karat. No, we'll save that for later. We're going to put some of our yellow down now. We're going to finger paint through these anyway, so they don't have to be perfect. Okay, now here's the question to you. Do I want to use more of the base coat color, or do I want to use the white? I think maybe the white.
I meant to say the white. I was about to say What about my showgirl? Where's my
She's coming. She's coming. Don't you worry. I got you. All right, we're gonna put a little bit of our feral cloud mix right in here because I do want it to show up against that base coat color. Okay. Now we're coming up with your showgirl. You happy? Okay. Put a little bit on top of there. And a little bit on top of there. A little bit on there. Okay, and now in the last one we did, I did these Jackson Pollock sort of I had this moment, and we're gonna do that again with the 24 karat gold. Ready, darling?
Yes, ma'am.
Here we go. This gave us those really cool fractured lines that I liked so much. Cool. Okay. Now's the finger painting time. Okay, are you ready, HOA?
Yes, my love.
Here we go. Okay. Okay. Cool. Alright. Get a little bit more of our base coat on the edges. Because we want everything to move really easy. Looking good, and all those colors are going to open up and stretch and do beautiful things. Let's dance. Okay, find the weight of the paint. We're going to walk it down, and we want to anchor this over the edges so we create that beautiful drag effect. That's really cool. A little bit of that go off. Come down this way a little bit. That's really pretty how it's opening up like that. I think we're going to lose a little bit on this side.
marble that looks like that.
Mm-hmm. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm just wondering if some of this shouldn't come off.
I don't like it.
You don't like the yellowy?
Well, I don't like the way that it looks all runny.
I kind of like it. It looks like mountains to me, but I see what you're saying, so that's all right. I like what's happening up here enough that I'm willing to sacrifice that at the bottom. And the more we open it up and stretch it out, the cooler it's going to look. So, and the more organic it's going to look. Almost there. That's really cool. What do you think, HOA?
Yeah.
Okay. I think we're gonna stop right there. Let me wipe my hands off real quick.
Good idea.
Hmm?
Good idea.
It's pretty. That burnt orange. Right here where it's got the gold going through it. So pretty. Okay. I'm happy. I'm wondering. Is it coming down just a little bit? That's better. Okay. Cool. I like it. I'm really happy about this. I definitely see marbling, a marbly effect. I love the burnt orange. That nickel Azo Gold is beautiful next to it. The yellow is there. I like that there's those little fractured veins of gold, that little splatter that we did at the end. I think this is going to be beautiful. And that's not white as the background. It's going to be that color, that light gold color. So this is going to be really cool. I'm excited about this one. So we will be right back with our dried results. Thank you so much for hanging out with us tonight. We'll see you in a minute. That was cool. Okay, so here we are with our dried results. This one came out so cool. Beautiful. I love that beautiful burnt orange in there. It's gorgeous with the yellow and the nickel Azo Gold. A little bit of our feral cloud mix. Got some beautiful, beautiful drag through those colors. Base coat really is pretty. That's the Amsterdam white with some titanium. There's some 24 karat gold in it. This one came out really pretty. We have those little cracks, the little fracture lines from our Jackson Pollock moment. Came out really, really cool. So this one was a lot of fun. You guys enjoyed this one as much as I did. And I'm giving you kind of a sneak peek at one of the surprises that I was talking about. I'm gonna to show you this because this is really funny. Let's see, where are they? Look at this guy over here. So cute. And these giant pelicans that look like pterodactyls. So, fun stuff. Thanks so much for being here with us, guys. We will see you real soon. Have a beautiful, beautiful day. Bye-bye.